Hi guys, my name is Najwa Zaghloul and this is my channel. Well, what do we have here? Oh, it's a package. I remember now. This was from my auntie. These are roller skaters. Let's open them up. Whoa, look at these bad boys. I really like them. This is from a present from my auntie. And look guys, it's so sparkly. There's my favorite color in it. Like, whoa guys, this is really cool. Look it guys. Oh, you gotta be careful because they are actually real. You have to be really careful when you hold them because they can slip. Also, let's show you all of it. Now the next one, in the next side. Okay, guys, now the other one. Guys, look at it, it's so glittery. Look at the white these shine. And like here, I like the hearts. Well guys, let's try them on. Look guys. Now it looks really good on me. Have a good day guys. Bye.